the 20th of November. Hi, my name is Hunter.
In Moaitara, WINTON SCHOOL, I'm Vere. Welcome to N.E.W.S news.
We start today with Winton's Got Talent news. We have all the finalists confirmed for next Thursday's final night.
Going through to the 0 to 2s are Sophie, Molly, Anais and Hannah, Marissa Adendorff and Ruby Davis. Ka pai.
Te Kupu o te Wiki. This week's word is aporo, which is te reo for apple.
Tapa-tapa-hia. Nā aporo. Slice the apples.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices, you know where, down here.
Okay, it's great seeing so many students with their Hi Viz vests on.
Most students are wearing them to school. Remember to wear them home too.
And a reminder this term, always wear your sun hats at playtimes and lunchtimes.
Anyone not wearing their hat will stay in the junior lunch area. Thank you.
Aporo is rameri, and the sausage sizzle is back, so bring your money.
Slurpees are back on sale. Bring your gold coins, 2 per person.
Magazine news. Can all house captains and magazine team members meet outside room 9 today at 12:45 after you've eaten lunch for a group photo?
This is to be published in the school magazine, so look smart please.
Health and safety news. Can all ice packs please be returned to the office? We need them all back. Thank you.
Touch news. A quick reminder for all year 1 and 2 touch teams. Your practices are postponed because of swimming.
Can the Year 5 and 6 Winton Stags please meet their coaches at 12:45 today for a practice?
Winton Bears, you have a practice today with Krista and Emma. Your training days are now Thursdays.
And Winton Whirlwinds, you have a practice today at 12:45. Thank you.
Winton Cougars, touch practice. Every Thursday, meet Kyle and Luke at the crossing road. Thank you.
Last news for the day. A big day for Jordan Cruikshank, turning the Big 10 today. Happy birthday, Jordan.
Okay, that's us for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a popo.
Haere rā, WINTON SCHOOL.